Oh my god, my hair. Okay, I'm gonna start this video because my camera is dying and I have to charge it, and I don't want to die on me before I tell you guys, hey, how's it going? Today is July 3rd, tomorrow is the 4th of July. Go America. I just came back from hiking. I woke up at like 7 in the morning, which kind of sucks because I'm off from work. I was like, ooh, I'll like sleep in and it'll be great. That was not the case. I was like, okay, if I'm waking up at this time, might as well go hiking. It's disgusting outside. It's like super humid, but it was like cloudy, so it was like really nice to go hiking. Like the sun wasn't blinding me, you know, like I could see where I was walking, so that was really cool. And that explains the crazy hair. I just came home and took a shower, and I had my hair up in a bun, and now it's down, and it's kind of crazy. And I'm sitting in my den, hence the crazy big bear, and I'm drinking some water with my straw. So I think I'm gonna film a vlog today and just like take you through my day. I know later tonight at like 9:50, me and a couple of my friends are gonna go see Annabelle. Fun fact about me, I freaking love scary movies. Okay, that is like my #1 favorite thing. If you ask me if I want to go see a movie, what kind of movie I want to go see, it's either 1, a little kid like animation movie because I love those, and 2, it's probably a scary movie. Yeah. Don't know what it is. I used to hate them growing up. I used to be like super afraid of like Chucky and like all the Saw movies. Like I could not watch it. And then one summer I watched all of the Saw movies with Javier, and it just like started like this crazy trend of me loving and like needing and honestly like craving scary movies. Like I just love the adrenaline, and I love like sitting in a dark room with my friends, with eating snacks and just feeling so scared for my life. Right now I'm probably going to read. I've been trying to finish this book for months now, called The Memory Keeper's Daughter by Kim Edwards. I got it probably a year or 2 ago at Goodwill. If you're trying to find like a good place to find books for really, really cheap, Goodwill's a really good place to find like thrifted books, or thriftbooks.com. I have a link in my bio for 15% off when you make an account with ThriftBooks. It's like literally the best website. I use that website for literally my whole library collection in my room. I call it my library. Yeah, save the environment, you know? And you could buy a book for like $3 rather than paying $20 at Barnes & Noble. I already ate breakfast and stuff. I didn't film that, but yeah, I'm just gonna read and chill out for a little bit.
I don't know how to do laundry. Oh, bro, I forgot about these pants.
You put light colors together.
I don't know. Oh, hey!
I think you have some of my clothes. I put on a hoodie because it's cold. Make the bags! Look at it. You're so cute, monkey. Aww.
Why is she tripping?
What do you mean? Is she shaking?
Yeah.
Maybe because you put her on a really high altitude.
Hey, Miss Biggs, it's okay. Here, I'll get you down.
She doesn't know where she's at. Look at her.
Miss Biggs,
She's
get the down, Miss Biggs.
Oh, little monkey is scared. That's okay, monkey. Kian asked me to help him pack, and now we're doing his laundry. Right, Kian?
Oh yeah, laundry time with my family.
Oh yeah, laundry time. What colors are you washing exactly?
I'm not washing colors. I'm washing items.
Colors are
a whole bunch of shirts. I'm seeing a lot of green, blues.
That's not how you do laundry.
A lot of did I say greens?
Stop saying bad words on my channel. This is family friendly content.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I need content, baby, content.
Get out of here, dude. You put me on your channel. That's violating my privacy rights.
You're stupid.
Well, it's official. All of this is really dirty.
No way, that's why we're in the laundry room. Wait, is this the stuff you're gonna pack? Is this why you're washing it?
Yeah.
You decide to do it hours before you have to leave.
I timed it in my head and it works out perfectly. I'm gonna do a light rinse and soak. That was good crack-a-lacking.
Oh, God!
I like these little packets. They feel weird.
Hopefully it doesn't overflow.
hope so too. Jeez.
Okay, Ken, let's go pack.
Those are your notes?
Yeah, but look how. Why they're right up slanted? I can't even take notes right. Like, what the f, man? I'm so upset.
Wait, I want to show this. How did you get so much jewelry?
You might like it's expensive. All that shit was like, it's buy two get two free.
Oh, really?
You have to like, I spent hella money on jewelry.
They look good. They look nice. I want to show them your whiteboard. Oh!
Oh, dude, don't embarrass me like that, dude.
Ken, I think I broke your hanger.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Oh, you flipped.
Oh no! Oh no! Ken, I'm sorry. What does it even say on there? What? Decide what you want.
I was watching a TED Talk, Nahir. I was taking notes on a TED Talk.
Lolo, what should we do today?
Everybody.
Are you gonna come with me to the airport? I have to take Kian to the airport. You wanna come with me later? Why are you laughing at me?
Look at her. Why have you always wanted to go to the airport? What is so enticing about the airport?
So I can do this.
First is first. So let's just get all the t-shirts I want to take.
How long are you staying there?
I'm
Like
staying
3
there.
days?
No, I'm staying there Wednesday through Sunday.
Hey guys, look, I'm an astronaut.
Marshalls was selling a whole bunch of polo shirts for half price, so I bought me all their polo shirts at half price.
I thought that was like a guy who was slaving his horse.
Alright, monkeys. Okay, I'm ready.
Where's your water?
Said you're taking that one.
I'm taking both. What the? Dude, give me some water. This is an emergency. I've had hot Cheetos all night.
Introducing the ice bottle.
I wanted to
Is your
see
jar
if
cup?
I could fit everything here. If not,
Chug, chug,
Just
chug.
kidding.
ah, Lola, you spilled all the water,
Oh,
man.
I can spill it one more time.
I'm staying there for 5 days. I can wear this one Wednesday, today, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Oh. So I asked you guys to help me pack, and then I'm the only one who's packing.
I asked you.
Yeah, I'll do it.
We're just hanging out with each other.
Don't touch my shirts.
I'm touching it. I'm touching them. I'm touching. What are you gonna do about it? Spitting my little disease on you.
I have more shirts. Trying to get my hygiene stuff.
I don't know your hygiene stuff.
My
It's not like you post your night routine.
on a vlog. Oh, Lolo, I have a shirt for you. Or some other. Boom, it's Mos Def.
Yes!
Why are you giving it to her? Does it not fit you anymore?
No, not
Are you
really.
getting a little? Are you getting a little?
It reminds me of Barack Obama.
It's not Barack
Why
Obama.
does it remind you of Barack Obama, Lala? I want to know why. I just put on some makeup and I put my hair up in a bun because it's one of those days. My hair was just so gross from hiking and I'm still in my hoodie. Nothing really has changed. I honestly, it's like been an hour and I've been watching YouTube videos, but I just submitted like my final resume for this assignment that we had to do for Europe. Hi, Mrs. Biggs. She's been literally following me all day. Come here. Come here, what's wrong? Are you okay? Huh? Are you doing okay? Oh my goodness. Why are you shaking? Oh my god, why are you shaking? She does this sometimes, and I don't know if it's because she's a Chihuahua. They're like prone to shake a lot. Like Mrs. Biggs doesn't really shake. She doesn't really get cold, so I don't know why she's like this. Are you okay? Are you hungry? Do you want some food? You want to go play? No. I don't. Sometimes she gets like this. If you know why, comment down below, like why certain dogs or why maybe it's the Chihuahua thing, why they shake. Because it doesn't make any sense. Why? She shouldn't be cold. It's like 85 degrees outside, and the house isn't like super cold. Samada? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Listen to Bad Bunny.
What? You're listening to Bad Bunny.
Yeah, can show me the song of him. What is it called? It's called
I didn't know you listened to him. Bad Bunny is like a Spanish rapper. He's from Puerto Rico?
Puerto Rico?
I think.
I thought he was from like Colombia or something like that. I don't know.
I'm not sure. I think he's from Puerto Rico, but
It's called.
don't quote me on that.
It's called RLNDT.
Oh yeah.
Wrong. Sometimes, okay, so when we first like got her, I remember this one day, she like it was at night and we were all like hanging out in the living room. And then I remember she got up, she was staring at the wall. And like I don't know why she was staring at the wall. She was just staring at it.
Good girl.
And it kind of scared me.
Okay, I'm gonna go check her food bowl. And I'm gonna go make sure she's okay. It's a little bit later. I ate some lunch. I made like a smoothie bowl. That was so freaking good. And my dad just came home and they're watching, well, my brother and my dad are watching the soccer game. And they're being so loud upstairs, so that's why I'm down here. And I am going to study a little bit of math before I have to leave for the airport. I don't want to do this right now. I don't want to study. I have to be honest. Like I just want to get this math placement test over with, which is going to be very soon because I am going to be going to orientation next week. Okay, let's do this. Don't want to do it, but I know I have to. Just dropped off Yan, right Mikey?
Yep.
What do you want to say to the vlog? This is Lolo. Recently turned 13, right? In May?
Sort of.
Sort of. What do you mean? Your birthday was in May. Are you shy? Are you camera shy?
Dude, no, stop.
Okay, sorry. Well, we're currently in Kian's car, and we're on our way home. Yeah, we're listening to Ariana Grande. Oh my god, I'm afraid that's gonna fall, Lolo.
It is. It's gonna fall.
I'm starving, dude. I'm so hungry. It's like 6:35.
Yeah, my stomach is super weird lately.
I want to go eat.
At night, it just growls. At day, it isn't. Like, what kind of body I have?
So you're only hungry at nighttime?
Yep.
Apparently, I'm hungry all the time.
What if I'm an alien?
An alien?
Yep.
I doubt it. You might be a little monkey, but you're not an alien.
When all is said and done, you will believe God is a woman. How big anyway you like her, and I can tell that you know how I want it. I've been out of sight. I've been worried about you lately.
We're gonna go to Walmart, get some bread for my dad, and then go home and eat. I've been home for a while now. It's like 8:30. We went to Walmart. We got some stuff. We got some snacks for tomorrow because tomorrow is the 4th of July and it's the 3rd season of Stranger Things. So we got, Lella wanted like a bag of Doritos, and we're probably gonna go back to the store tomorrow to get more snacks. Oh, and I got some vegan chocolate that was like on sale for $2. A steal. Oh, I was watching some YouTube videos. I was watching a vlog from KK and Baby J. I freaking love them. I just recently started watching their vlogs and they're so cute. Like I want a family like that in due time. Okay, not right now. I'm only 20 years old, but they're so cute. I just love watching them. They're just so cute. Their kids are so funny. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I'm pretty sure I have a lot of footage. I'm holding like the part of the camera that like goes in front of the lens, so don't mind me. I was really sad saying bye to my brother, but it's fine. I told him to come back. Argentina lost to Brazil yesterday for the, I think it's Latin American Cup, and he said that he went through the Delta line and the Delta like employee who was helping them was Brazilian, so he was like, I have made 0 friends so far. And I said, oh man, that sucks, come back home. Oh, I miss him. I'm excited for when he gets back. It's gonna be cool. it's gonna be fun. But yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more days of my life, let me know down below in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe down below. I make videos every Monday and Friday, or should I say I upload videos every Monday and Friday, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye.